Hello guys, welcome back. In my last video, I've shown you how to create a login and logout routes. And in this video, I would like to show you the rest of the routes. I didn't log out from here, I think. Yeah, okay. But so if I go to the home, then I'm still logged in. That is what you're authenticated as MK. Okay, fine. So log out. If you refresh, it still shows. That is actually the problem. So, oh, okay. So anyway, that is ms ms at ms. We are just logging out. Log out is not happening actually. So why it is not happening is because when we log out, the session should pop out actually. Even if we anyway, that's okay, fine. So here you got the logout and we have login here. So when I press logout, it should go to the logout. So in order to it is going to the home router, still it is not logging out. So okay, fine. So let's go to the rest of the. So login, logouts are over. Login and logouts are over. Now I'm going to the next route, that is password change. Okay. So I'm just going to follow from here onwards. I need to follow the documentation. So in documentation, it shows that I need to have a route called password change. Okay, and password change done. Once password change was done, it is going to redirect to password change done. And for password change done, I need to have something else. Okay, so first let me copy this password change and okay, so password change. Let me go to the URLs in accounts. In accounts, you should go to the URLs and in URLs. So I copy here. Then what I do is copy and come here, and I just have to. This is going to be the URL pattern, and for that, what I need to have password change view. And this password change view needs a template. Okay, we need to have that. I have to provide for form, and because it's going to have a default form for it. This is going to be. I'll just take the name from the. I think the template need to be password change HTML, something like that. Let me see that. See, this is the logout redirect URL, which I have told you in my series 1. Password change form will be there, and this is the name of the form that this URL pattern is going to use. Okay, this URL pattern is going to use this form, a built-in form, password change form. Okay, yeah, this one, password change form HTML. So this should be the name of the. So here, and I have to create it, and this is going to be password change. Okay, registration, new file, change from HTML, and the name is going to be password change. So that is how we are going to use the name of the URL pattern. Okay, And now in this password change HTML, this is nothing but login form. That's all. I mean, it is identical with the login. Everything is. We don't need to have. We don't have the special code for all these templates. They're all same kind of. And where is that password change form? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and this is going to be password change form. Password change or change password, whatever. Change password. The form comes from this form. Object comes from this route. That is password change. Password change view as view. That will take care of the form as well as model. Model will be the base, model. And for success done, I'm going to use. I just have to change the name. I'm sorry. I think I just have to change the password done. Is going to be this one. Password done. HTML. I think I have the freedom to make use of this. This is going to be password change done. That is your name. Password change done. And this is going to redirect to a particular template called password change done. Password change done. Okay. HTML, and this is this is just going to be done. Name is going to be done, and here again I create. This is just nothing but a simple. I copy from here. Is done. I come here, and I instead of form, what I do is I just put a p tag. That's it. You have successfully. You change password success or password change successful. Password change successful. You can log in now. That is going to be so now. We have to take care of these URL patterns. So URL patterns, okay, fine. URL patterns are done. Now, if I go to the password change, then it should be able to trigger. It should be able to redirect me to a particular. Okay. Now, if I go here, accounts, password change, right? Now this one, password change the password. This is going to be the old password. I already have. I think I should log in first in order to. So I am logging as MS, and then I'm going to. I think logout need to be handled with the help of a separate, view. I guess we need to. We should explicitly. Logout is not working. Anyway, I'll handle that issue later. And see, I'm logging as MS. I can also log in as logout and then log in as MK. Now I am logging in as MK. Now this I can either log out or I can furnish URL pattern here in the home folder. Apart from logout, I can also provide one more pattern for password change. So for that, what I need to change to is go to the home template. Go to the home template, and here from just as a template. Forgot password. One day it's not forgot password actually. I'm sorry. Forgot password is different. Do you like to change password? Go to URL password change. Okay, change password page. So now I think is it not in home? Where did I do this? I think I did this here. Oh, I didn't save. I saved, I guess. Then what is the problem? Why it is not coming? Password change is not there. What is the route name? Something should appear here, at least. HF password change and go to accounts, password change. Yeah, password change correct only. Name password change. This is correct only. URL login. Then change password. Go to URL. Change password. Password change. I'll do one thing. Let me. It's not coming. Why it is not coming? Is it because of I don't know, sometimes it goes weird. For weird reasons, things will not work. I think it should happen. Certainly I'm doing some sort of mistakes. I don't know what is the mistake that I'm doing. Why there isn't password change? What is the problem? Registration password change. And then when I go to the home, then I should furnish that here. HLF URL login. HLF URL password change. I'm not able to, I don't know, kind of, okay, fine. No, sometimes I don't want accounts, password, change. I think this one, change, yeah. Old password, what is my MS? So, for MS, capital M, yes, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Su, Kanya, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Su, Kanya, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, password change successful, you can log in now. Now when I go to MS list I, and then MS, get, no, not MS. So yeah, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, good. So password change is working now. So at the same time, if I log in as MK, capital M, small k, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm logging in as MK. And here, if I go to accounts, password change, and then for MK, capital M, small k, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. oh, comma, capital K, KMA, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is changed. When I go to login, this time MK, comma, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should be able to log in with the help of my change password. So that is actually the whole idea. Now let's go ahead and take care of the next one. That is password reset. That is the last one. This is a bit complicated because we need to create 4 different routes here, and this is a reset thing. Before going to do take care of this reset, there is a particular thing called email backend. So I have to take care of it first. Django email backend. So because I'm not going to use my original email for sending, because this is going to send this reset thing. This reset sends an email to a user email address, and we need to, and with a kind of token and all, etc., 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 built in. That is how the authentication system works. And even there is no forgot password kind of thing is not there. That we need to take care of ourselves by creating a custom view. Maybe in my frequent subsequent videos I will be able to explain you how to set up forgot password, and for time being I'm not doing that. I just wanted to explain you these routes. That is the aim of this video. Maybe in future I will explain you forgot password. So for time being, let me explain you how to reset. For reset, what it needs an email backend thing. So for that, what we need to do is that we have to search for back, and we have to set up a property in settings folder. That is going to be this one. Okay, this is SMTP email backend, and there is another thing called console email backend. This one we need. Okay, email backend is going to be console email backend, which means I want to handle all the emails through console, not through the SMTP email backend. Needs settings that need to be configured in our project. So I have to take a Gmail, Yahoo Mail or something, and then I need to set up the properties required for my SMTP server for that particular service, maybe Google or Yahoo or Reddit or whatever. So I don't want to do that. I want to do this. Okay, I want to handle for this project. This is just a small demo project, so I don't want to show you. Maybe in one of the videos I can show how to configure the project for the real-time emails, sending real-time emails or something like that. But for time being, we'll do this. So I have to go to the base root project settings, and then here go down. Okay, and copy this. And this we need this email backend. We have to set up this purposefully. Otherwise, our emails will there will be errors in our project. Okay, having done that, let me go to the accounts, and here what I need to do. So go back to the routes. The first route is going to be password reset, and password reset. So URLs. I will, and let me copy this, and this is going to be password reset. Okay, password reset, and this password reset is going to take care of a form. We don't know what is the form doesn't matter. Password reset form will be there. I think for as far as template is concerned, we need password reset. Yeah, form.html. This one. We need this one. We need to create this one. So password reset. What is password reset view? This one. Okay, and the form is going to be password reset HTML, and this is the route name, and this URL pattern name is going to be password reset. Okay, password reset. And now let me copy this a couple of times. 2, 3, 4. Now what I need to do is I'll just go to the second one, and this is going to be password reset done. Password reset done you. Okay, and this is reset done form, I guess. Password reset done form reset. URL name is password reset done. That is URL name. Password reset done HTML. This is going to be password reset done. This is going to be password reset done HTML. Okay. Done HTML. And we need HTML. Password reset done HTML. Password reset. All these HTML templates we need to create later. Once I do everything, then I will tell you how to. So let me go back to the. And the next one is this one. This is very, very important for us. I don't think we need this. Okay, let me go for password. Route is this. This is URL pattern. We have to create this URL pattern here. This is the pattern, and the template is going to be password reset confirm. Route is going to be password reset confirm. Okay, and now the HTML is going to be password reset confirm HTML. Let me see. Confirm HTML. Yes, password reset confirm HTML. And the last one, password reset confirm. After that, password reset complete. Okay, password reset complete is going to be reset complete. Your name is password reset complete. Reset complete, and then this is password reset confirm. This confirm view. Password reset complete view. Complete view, and here password reset complete HTML, and this is going to be reset. That is going to be the name. Okay, so now we have to create the templates, so one by one. And the templates are going to be, the first one is password reset HTML and password reset form. So this is also a form. So let me go to the templates and then registration, new file, HTML. And here the form is form, so it doesn't matter. I will copy password reset form and copy the same code. Code is same. Okay, so here it will be password reset. I think we'll come back and see what are the. We don't need this. Okay, this is sufficient. Okay, this is going to be password reset. Password reset password. Something like that. Reset password. And next one is password reset done, because if we don't have this, this will throw error. We have to provide this file. And now done in this, it is just going to be a very simple, it's not that difficult. Reset done, reset done. So what is, we don't need form here, we just have to put a message. Your password reset complete, successful. Password reset is successful. Go to login. Okay, login page, and then next one. So we'll finish everything and then go for testing. So reset confirm. This is actually this reset confirm is going to it is just going to send a mail confirm view. So we don't want a template for this. Okay, I can just remove the confirm HTML template. Instead, reset complete. Yes, of course. Here we need a message for complete. Your complete is going to be just like change done kind of thing. So this exactly looks like password reset. Is it reset successful? That's it. We don't need anything. Okay, so we have some certain. So we got. This starts. The whole thing starts from the password reset. First we got the password reset, and this reset. There are URL pattern is password reset, and I can provide URL in the home template, that is login. Do you like to? So I can say do you? And it is not coming. I don't know why it is not coming. URL and the reset password. So resetting password. Go to reset password page. But it is not working. That is not working. Okay. So I will stop the server because we have done significant changes in our. And if any problems are there aren't any problems it seems. So we are in home, but in home they are not coming. Okay. Password accounts. Password reset. Yeah. So what is the email ID? So now we need to provide email ID. For that, what we do is first we try to add them in. Okay, CSRF token. Okay, I'll set up email for one of this fellow. He don't have email ID. So mk@email.com. So let me use this email. Save. Now ms email ID is going to be ms@email.com. Now both of them have email IDs. Okay, mk email ID mk. Now, so who is the one that is login with this admin? So let me log out admin. Oh, now it is coming. Oh God, password change and all everything. So something wrong actually. So admin, no, let me. Okay. So somebody was. Okay, fine. I think there is some kind of bug in my application for sure. Now it is guest, and when I log out from the admin, it shows me. Okay, let me go for the change password. No, it is over. Reset password. No, I want to reset for one with MK email ID. And yeah, password reset done not found. Password reset done is not a valid view function. Not have a name. Password reset done. So what is the problem? Let me go to the URLs. Accounts URLs. Where is the password reset done? So this is password reset done. And then password reset done is going to have password reset done HTML. Yeah, password reset done view only. Template name password reset done, password reset done. And what is the problem? I don't know what is the problem. No reverse match. So this is, we need to, I think it should happen. So reset done and password reset done is not a valid function name. I think there must have been some kind of typo somewhere. Password reset done. Password reset done. I don't know. Yeah, that space is the problem. My God. So in name there was a small space problem. Password reset is successful. Now we have to go to, because it will send us a message. The message is going to be like this. The message is, so password reset, we have to, this is actually, now it sends when we request for the password reset, Django is going to send an email, and since I used the console backend for email sending, so the email comes back to the console. So now this is the email. When I click on this, you see here my domain name, accounts, reset, MQ, something. This is token. Okay, so everything is free. Like Django is going to provide all these insights automatically through built-in authentication system. Now when I press on this, you see what's going to happen. I think it already opened. It is going automatically to the set password admin view. Okay, let us go for, it was for comma, isn't it? Now I change bold password, capital M, small k, at 1 2 3 4 5. Earlier it was the password. I changed it to comma at 1 2 3 4. If you remember exactly, to change password, I changed the MK at 1 2 3 4 5 to comma at 1 2 3 4. Now I'm changing comma at 1 2 3 4 5 to MK at 1 2 3 4 5. Now capital K, small, capital M, small k at 1 2 3 4 5. The change password successful. Now let's go to the login page. That is accounts, login. Username is MK. Now capital M, small k. Actually, comma at 1 2 3 4 5. Now I changed it to capital M, small k at 1 2 3 4 5. Now we are logged in. That's it. So this is password reset kind of thing. So password reset, what it does is it just going to send an email. If you set up your project appropriately with an SMTP server, just like using credentials from your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or Rediff, so this email goes to your email ID, okay, real email ID. But this is just a test app. I wanted to demonstrate how to do this Okay, this is all the inbuilt Django authentication system. I explained you various URL patterns, uh, like how to provide a registration page to the user, and then a login site. I mean, a site for login, logout, password change, password reset, everything. So this is the complete. And one thing is pending, that is forgot password. So I will try to explain you that in my subsequent video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content, and please subscribe to my video channel. Press like button, please. Thank you.